Hello everyone, Jason here with Cerakote. Today we are continuing with our LPH80 troubleshooting series with a video focusing on a clogged air cap. We'll discuss how it gets clogged, show you the symptoms, and give you tips for clearing a clog from the air cap. Lastly, we'll finish up showing some preventative maintenance. The air cap gets clogged as coating runs out of the nozzle and down the air horn during spray gun usage. Coating begins to dry, it effectively clogs the orifice and prevents airflow from creating an equal fan pattern. This generally results in a lopsided pattern where coating is heavily offset to one side. If left without proper cleaning, this may permanently impair function of the air cap. If you are experiencing a lopsided fan pattern and think you have a clogged air cap, you should first use the pick tool and cylinder brushes from the IWATA cleaning kit and try to clear the air pathways. In some cases, you may not be able to clear it with these tools and you will simply need to replace the air cap. Instead of letting the air cap reach this point, prevention is the best approach. Here are a few tips for preventing coating buildup on the air cap. Make sure you modulate the trigger between the first and second stage while spraying. This means that you are keeping the air on when the fluid is off. Also, when performing a quick clean or flush with solvent, you should rotate the air cap 90 degrees to move the air horn out of position. This helps because coating will often dribble out before a stream forms while flushing solvent through the system. Lastly, make sure to use the pick tool and cylinder brushes from the IWATA cleaning kit to keep the air passages clear during your cleaning process at the end of each use. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video.